another day. And then so yenemo ewo nkomo kakra edi. Nabusiamfo ene de nsem na yede nam no. Emu edru pa. Ti mesa wa se bomodren na sabi o trase na pe asem epi etie. Midin ene Mr. Mafo eha yeba yede nsem a ano eden ene ba. Yede nsem a ano eden ye pa ene de ba ebe kyeremo. Ene nso yasen atrase biem ne ntrase ya trase no ye wo mu nyina eye tietia. Ye nyina nim sa kakra bi na the election, the MPP promise no ye the eba abeshisha no on the 31st of January 2026 ene ebeto aba no ene eye the 8th of January 2026 na kire say ye wo bre tietia bi ene da ya nima sabio aka say ye de abato we ebeshisha so na eno mu ena sabio ensem bi no mo koso a ye pese yenye den ye medwedwem na ye make sure say ebetumi aye ade bi a entimi nkotreke amanfo na amanfo behu se nsem aye nokre nsem a ekoso ene ntro a ekoso enti enu nti ene ya transe ene obedi nkomo pa ni nyina ne se Kennedy Agyapong we soon because ene MPs, former MPs, any MPs or more contested the seat of parliament in 2024, 114, or if I'm mistaken, 114 Ababon say they are with Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia. Now, asem we better abonten Kennedy Agyapong soon. Why nesu? Me say why nesu? Kennedy Agyapong soon. On any camp nyina ejadam because omo ankasa adwene atiase say MPP the front liners, the runners on penfo no more party no mu nyina se omo to abana ko babi ba ko a bra. Don't waste your vote by voting for Kennedy Agyapong. On to me no even 20% impo. Enti asem we amana atohye ani kokwa apai Kennedy Agyapong da ona nanim ayetum stika na so ayehye saa nso na nkrofo binom omo aka the progress binom ayehye da to won say ye de won ebe disturb the media no so musu saa dan what is happening here eno na ma hye da trans say me ba na ma bdwa adwemu na ma mo atie bi na wahu say MPP party na efene the new patriotic party the old party and your friend UP United Party no identity the identity agana for the name your pa and say it is an intellectual political party enti na me ba be kyerɛw na wa hwɛ ne ye na wahu enipa no mo amonamu yi ye ne mu say emum ye nsa de omo ankasa nim say they are just participating to the contest but omunim omo adwene mu say they can never win aka nipa mienu Dr. Bawumia de nim say wa win awie but ye wo ba akon e fe ne Kennedy Agyapong nim say ontumi win ne nanso no opese onko so just ayen kan say malfunction of the party ni nyina ne say ensem na e ba bonten ya ahodo miensa say that is the reason why papa no oyo no ya kyerɛkyerɛm ebinum sɛ ɔyɛ de ɔyɔ yi because ɔne NDC foɔ atena ase ahyɛda ayɛ ntotoyɛ sɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛmfrɛ no sɛ ɔmmra na ɔmmɛyi nsɛm binom ano nti no ɔnka sɛ ɔno ɔkɔntɛste na ɔntumi nyɛ den ɛnsɛe MPP party no saa na ebinom ka ebinom nso deɛ ɔmo ka ne sɛ Kennedy Agyapong ankasa no ɛyɛ aboro because wadi kan bere bi sɛ ɔno no sɛ wanwene a ɔbɛte aboro party na ne saa aboro party na ɔkɔ akɔteɛ no deɛ ɔde bɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔde bɛsɛe party no saa na ebinom aka na yɛmu binom nso deɛ yɛka ne sɛ deɛ papa ne yɛ ne nyinaa no deɛ ɔhwehwɛ nyinaa ne sɛ onim sɛ ɔntumi nwene but said you on a focus in an abri be aqua say or per contract or per some percentage be what the promise no na odia kujina Dr. Bawumia ni mu say Dr. Bawumia ene no enkwa pam says obedi president obema ni way anyway. These are things that are going on the media. But ene matase Ras Media hosted by Mr. Mafwene me ba na ma be church mu na ya be dwonjo mu ya be bonsem bi no mo so nsem no ma ekọ ye tie bi na ye nyina ya toto adwen tenase na me mfa mu church mu emno die di kan United for Dr. Bawumia aye Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Oye campaign no ya ye wo overseas ni ya ye wo Ghana nyina ya ye wo overseas ene ya ye wo Ghana nyina wa obetumi bia no obetumi a support Dr. Bawumia yene amount to be a yatwera to ho se sa amount no e na oye den o de be support sika bia obetumi bia no obetumi e de support Dr. Bawumia the campaign no se wo America maimu na opese wo donate for Dr. Bawumia eno ani se obe sende sika yi akozele 2017443036 na wa send you sika de akọ edini na ewom no ye fa ni unity aboaje o send ya nsa beka o send nso a no abomodena na wa take screenshot se de be obetumi de aba na ya hwehwem na ya hu se ye no krese nipa we ya send sika se de be ye betumi account for the money what de be call akakoma ye maame unity aboaje e wa America saa nso na wo a so pese onye momo emfa nko Ghana wo UK wo Italy, Germany, any other country who Ghana, Krobia or Subia now super say contribute to a Dr. Bawumia campaign. To me send this sika akomomo number we so 02450167111. Nipanu din any Isaac Kwache. O send there and so take a screenshot na fabra said ye be to me account for whatever you are donating for Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Na nsema e ho ampese no fama na fe yenko yanim na yemfa nsem no emegire emremo. Message say fe na waba modern na wa share video no na wa comment na ye hu achia said ye no wo ye kurom say enipa de o share nipa. First of all, we so ntumi chia nipa na kama na nipa no say ye hu say wo ho on share yen so a message o say share video no na video no nkɔ nanim like video na video no pompo ne ho na yento ado now yewia oheneba of wontumi FM ewa asem eka e de kyereke ne de Agyapong yentie video we na yensamra back into studios
minim de ntia onobu kan Agyapong na ni science we have 88 parliamentary seats. And unfortunately, Endorsed Akwatia Ephraim and about 87. Ashanti region provided 39. Your own very seat and now teso. Ufris Yalusu. We lost to a Muslim. Udu babia now we are some and a cremoni and a wani and a macanfono yani a canfonia doso and a munkotoba in your backyard, your constituency. You see, we respect them, we honor them, we appreciate the Mayama party. No? But yes, Obia campaign Obia Jimimpa Wasam honorable Agyapong yes. When you want to do a decent campaign, Obia nu niasem. And so I have demonstrated that me anytime bia minister kabedin komobia or be call me without how is your campaign going? No akanasem. The only times I disagree with him, tell no na making your and tribalism and religious politics. Come na what him betna hanma obey any decent campaign. We allowed him, he did it. Obia and sinu kwan obia una no. And this member were higher than member near the where were your men? And this is for who I know. So what's the member and this is for who in 2024? Where were your men? And now because we were not the presidential candidate, now we'll try me and Lusu, not a Benyas Maka. And this is when your seat say in Ashanti region. At your backyard, your central region. Your seat is oh. So if you have the Midas touch to win us back the political seat, parliamentary seat you lose here, at then 2024. Obeka say no your presidential candidate and no your MPP ni. In any case, so now the presidential candidate kwana who see it na who jan hono. How did you protect it for us? Obo wo ba ko do say. If you have the men, where were the men? Your so-called NDC for right now, Omuway. And here, like the Agyapong campaign, obviously the crimes on Manenge. And the moon, Munia Bemu near there, as if say, power near lose us a day. Because in a center Jelusu vote. Ulusu ya would dare wound to me say, or but deliver in a center Yamiashano. Now we expect the bay, our center region. Please don't know Agyapong. Please. We respect you, we appreciate you. The Wayama party, no, or Suma party, no, government, as a politician, as a parliamentarian, as a businessman, whatever, we appreciate it. But who know I do? And a mema waha and at the 1st January mema and a bema PM and why? And as the Bia Okasa, just I would dare party no unqua why. Make the last thing I will permit on this platform to Babet Hanum, Abacasset. But there was walking Kakono. Oh, Yama, who quay my Colangola and be bar, no more carry dear. Oh, your campaign. Yes, what and a deputy organizer. You go for when you buy, I don't know. And I work say you lose to us one seat. Put the question Dr. Bawumia, and the deputy organizer rose up. No, say from 1992 deep party, you know. As a question, as one say, yeah, we need that. And you can't blame as one seat lose here on Dr. Bawumia. And when. Except that the narration they gave me, from you, but I have spoken to the deputy organizer this morning. That is the account he gave me. And I'm a member, and I'm away, and I'm away, and I'm away. Where were your men? If it is your who wants some now, can say no cry, and this is for no, or member now, no more way. Or because you were not a presidential candidate, or you were waiting for us to lose. Now they are Samaka. Please, we respect you for all what you have done for the party. Now, no more 10 cents of Agyapong. I stood here, spoke against it. But honorable Agyapong, Mr. I thought that was also a break. Monso amone namno, mon kasancheno. Someone can want to so moya because you am way ni mampani. Na sembia ba hunu bia sabe ye kra ye mo bra bia yi no. Asebo wa ye hunu ye bra chebu ya ye nifa so. Na wo di asembia obi aba kan bia ba yi na no. Na say that be di mampani dia obeda kwa concentrate on governance no. Too much. Too much. And at the 1st January, Munabu Mama and a baby be any ho and a one when is a Munia Bemu. Yea, would our Bemu. Maybe Ebia Wabemu. Ebia on the Wabemu, Ebia Luciano. I thought I would see any Casa as I ended the crisis Lusu power. Why do you do that? You have suffered for because of this party. You have paid your dues for this party. But I thought that Nyabutre, control your temper. No, I said, yeah, on Unkwane Bema, that means will be a catch and say on 31st January, no, or Yirum call for Amia to Abetiana. Please, delegates no more Quatuabano, Sabe. O Magnimunya Hasau. Obia to me, no, intimidate your Mamunko Tusu, your Mumpo. And to give them some kind of respect. Say out of their own volition, they would
Wow, be say ya bato de ni keka kitikiti bia o baby.
I told that why you too ayabro so too much. Unko a we hwan. Enti se obia ka se okay ya dia ma party unko akoya.
Untumi.
Ono mo Agyapong unko a betima we ne para wa maye.
Ene adwuma, ene ensiku.
Unko a betima we ne pa wa maye. Na de bia say wo ha dey. Oh.
We are no more gina no asa so dey abom.
Oh, too much. Too much. Too much. Oh, ya manabroso. Oh, ya manabroso. Party mpanifo so say who say dey be obi aso ntimi nka. De nipa bia ya party mu a mu from mu chi o manim no.
Drop your letters.
Edu wey. Edu de ono obo Agyapong yi. Meme de mete ha no. Power ni elusu ye no akame. So a Bawumia nipa party for call that person, discipline him or her. I can Agyapong nipa call that person, discipline him or her. Say on one musina call him, discipline him. Mama ya shouting shout chana sa musu grab musu muka hubi. Na de ekosu ni ekosu yi. To that baby as no back na sa mo cash na tade ne ade. Ade. The bia was all be there party before the be also be there party no na obi afri mo nko betima ye so what they now wo betima ya me awe na ayi all the 47 seasons na center regional any na nko so be ye wo waka what platforms waka amna babo ntin say ye be hwe say won to be betima gire as if NPP na center regional e ye won to be nko na ye won to me and opportunity you will see won to me if you deliver a center region want man deliver because that is what you wished. I feel that and I'm not transcendent region and this is what you see now. In your central region, there was seat for as a trepe. Your own city, you lose. And we don't know Yabramo. Ade. When your party soon for so say tam. Kakrebia Mopaka Namonzankano, party. What is all this?
Yes, enti abusianfo oheneba of Wontumi TV. Ninkyerɛkyerɛ mu a ɔde aba no na abusia wahu sɛ yɛsi wiase no wo ya ade na yɛka kyerɛ wo na yɛka kyerɛ na sisi wo ntia at the end of the day wobɛhyia de betimu wo ɛna yɛka sɛ odi ebu pakɔ na wobɛhyia wo difo wahu sɛ oheneba ɛkasa yi ɔka yɛ ɔse we respect you for all what you have done for the party as MP, as a party member, and all form of support to our Diama party. But this time around, Kennedy Agyapong is going beyond the limits. Temiepa. Yenina yete say, yenina yete ha. And in 2023, Yasha says a yes similar campaign concerning the flagship, a flag bearership, what them call election. Kennedy Agyapong katana ni kansema ontin wo babia. Eka ye di go party na ni mase. Ema MPP party amamfo hyase esresre ye. Let's say Kennedy say. What you say Kennedy say? MPP for we sika te said your china bi ni ho. Obeti ye Kennedy say monko na mo behu de mede be ye mo. Kennedy Agyapong twan throw the gu ye party no so ma edru ba bi no. Na MPP ni ba kura no frɛ ni bisa no so ye MPP na no de ne ho sie. Adentia. Yesi momochichi fi nso ase be kese sabio denchem ewa ye ngina chinye. Enti afi we so Kennedy Agyapong ye na adwene say he can still do the same things that he did in the past. Now just obey me hold party na hwerewa akitam na wachinchim no ama ya sofa. but when him say ene this time there yeah nyane to say first no tom you are not going to do it like the before 10 and they would try it would say be try mo kan ye ba be kire mu and tona mudi in last timer mudi winning sabio amanfo adwene mo beto abama mo mudi munya about 30 something percent no afi we enya adwuma because enkontompo ne nabraba na mo be ye ni nyina no ye be ba bonten abekire mu se eye bossre mu kan eye bossre mu kan pio eye bossre mu kan Canada Japan last election to me ba bonten ebegina ho kan kire Ghana for say Dr. Bawumia nko afre ne say omra meji $800 million now step down na in a temper a bremua na pensioners kro omudi omusika kogu banks pensioners a omudi omusika kogu bank na na ma ho kire o man Ghana community na ye tena won sika so pensioners no nso the middle class people na sabio omo no munya adwuma binom ye a contract insurance da so a na menu so nti omo wo pension fee no many of them no they are all MPP for and some people for mampo no musika kwa kodi bank and again to mean some far more now who can the Japan when na catch the MPP for no aso say Bawumia wo 800 million or they bre wo seje na si for ma do you think say sa MPP ni na ono no to abama MPP na ni sika ne pension abedi bank yes yem farm man because ahochina ba na obeti say yes yem fa ni sika man no Dr. Bawumia mom so wo 800 million or they bre wo can the Japan say si for ma do you think say that person will go out there to vote for the party this is what Canada Japan did in the last election and turning contempo but no omoyo na eye omo adwene mu say this 2025-2026 campaign no ye be ye ne said ye last one no dabi Canada Japan e sha ase it threaten upon threaten and MPP for their medibe more and I'm wo video and I'm wo evidence and I'm why hey na no papa iko takwa eko wone ufiri ukrom asin central to me nante kotakwa eko ma amanfo wone say 31st January you will go there and do what papa aden yesi wi asina ye wo mu no say wo ye wo ho barima yekoja from yekoja from na no na me kan asem we acha akra me kan asem we he all the aspirant no mo atwe omuti no kwabena je Japan yewi panyini yewi yaw osei adutwip the former minister of education the former minister of agriculture Brian Chempon and you Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia Sam Crawford na we omumu bia obabedi kan mo party no mu bia no ye betumi aka ye ho abom awen elections mana ye. But let me tell you delegate temiye pa second in the Japan when this election we are I'm setting this record straight away. Listen to me very carefully. Second in Japan when this promise where you kwa to ya you abami bema MPP ni awo ni that's what say party emra bible forget about it because papa we are fighting almost everybody in the party on any adwene tiebiye pa yekoto about 2023 Dr. Bawumia 60 something percent Kennedy Japan 30 something percent 37%. 63% na omokoto abama Dr. Bawumia Kennedy Japan ni omo we di omo atema from the beginning up to now. Empanfo bi no tieti omo na so abu omo animu wabu omo animu ntia wadidi omo atem wafro omo akromfo ne na asefo. Kennedy Japan be di MPP party na nima me kama watu ho ase se election victory, general election victory, MPP should think about 2058. Tell me, pa, sempa na mekacho, me aban kwa grace, no akwa bapa. And then people that get nim. Na mo koye mistake. Eko to about the market in Japan so made the MPP anima. At said the wafa party ni so FN MPP no. Na wa boom na wa to apete. And pemfo so ka say ojo so fa kwa ene twa huro. Se ojo so fa kwa na otwa huro. Be se mo ko fa party de koma Kennedy Agyapong at se party mo boom na ma to agu. Na mo se emfa mo ho biem na mo mpe. Because papa no on na mo se fe ne Kennedy Agyapong. Oni party mpanfo na omo ni na chi omo nka ne ho omo mpe na asem che omo mpe na omo ne na nya adwene se ono no medi party na nim no papa na didi omo nyina atem. Enti sa nkrofo na Kennedy Agyapong didi omo atem ni nyina, nobody will come and work with Kennedy Agyapong to become a president. Omo didi omo atem de ebesi no. One omo so a omo feel say Kennedy Agyapong 2024 oye campaign diti ono ankasa ne party just because of say na ompese Dr. Bawumia ebedi president no. Sa majority no aye 63% no. They will also work against Kennedy Agyapong. Now we will see what will happen. It is for non-go there. Say we MPP delegate. Now be court 31st January. Now so kwa kotoa badi ama Kennedy Agyapong. Na any day be anam isra me pa chow me bisa say maybe wunyante niyama binumase. Because you see abana ye de bo techino ye de bebo bansu dabi. Enti se wo 2024 utimi eye campaign editia wa ankasa o party leader aye fene Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia emane lusu ye enam se ukojina santiman mu etreti wuntumi se wuntumi will deliver in Asante region for you to see. Enti obi biara owo gide wo Dr. Bawumia 2024 election muso bewene na to me and who say you lose vote in Asante region. No. Sa nipa no dwene say wo Kennedy Ohene Japan. You know what you did in Asante region and na menu sunti amanfo ankotoba because you said it to say if to me can deliver Asante region for the MPP. Ye koto abai so no kure mesemo say Asante region to me and deliver. Etimia yen ka dwene any akomansi animu oje se de na course nti a want to me and deliver Asante region among people. Tenase na obehu twen na obehu ya kan kasa ya kat ya sie ye broni be kese threaten na se ni friend ni be kese obeto ade abo no na ne nan esi ade so. And this Kennedy Agyapong to me, but to me, or the chairman of the region, I him so the commando of the MPP in Asante region. Now Kennedy Agyapong to me, Jan and I so catch them and say, you will deliver for us to see in Asante region. Bra, do you think Sena or Kanekwana? Now, dear Nebama Madrin say, Ayen or Kuresa Kennedy Agyapong ko ye campaign the tia wound to me, say wound to me, and to me deliver. No, I can say, okay. And this alcohol to abandon the Kennedy Agyapong 31st January. Bra, what to yamu because they can the year Dr. Bawumia and the front line runners, the party, what them call the presidency bedders, no. Some crofonu be omonti omohwasen, they will also do the same job against Kennedy Agyapong, and you should forget about it. You should forget about it. Say Kennedy appointed me and win election. Because bra, sansem no mona mo kano. And then this for Kennedy by a better man, Kennedy Agyapong. And again a phone you say, yen tuntun to Obama Kennedy Agyapong a better Obama bra, a political mantra, a mo poa, a campaign mantra. ɛyɛ nsɛm bi no mu ɔmo ahyɛ dɛ kaa de ato amanfoɔ tim ɛnyɛ nokorɛ ndc ni nya okugyata bra kwa ne se pride onya ne hoda emeto aba mfa mu MPP ni ndc supporter bia ni hɔ a obetwa n'akyi de akyerɛ ne party sɛ ɔkɔto aba de ama MPP ni ɔnyɛ ma ne nyɛ yie nkurɔfoɔ mutumi de ɔbɔn yere ne ɔmo manom nkwa ekosi awowa ɛde ma ɔmo party no ohwɛ sɛ nipa no obegya ɔno ne party hɔ abeto aba ma wo NDC MPP ni wɔn yama wo di agoro are you a child ye dada wadwene ma na ayɛ wo de edi abusia the MPP delegates no I have a message for you sir if actually we want this 2028 elections to be our victory the only person obetumi agyina hɔ afrɛ nkaifo no ɔmo aka ni nyinaa all the other 4 aspirants nampa abɛn ne ho mo ne ɔmo yɛ adwuma no ɛne ɔmo ayɛ adwuma no sɛ yɛ ka Agyapong ka ho bi because Agyapong akasa de atia even the aspirants no waka ɔmo ho nsɛm ne bebree wadidi ɔmo atem disrespectfully Nancy bi anche bi na yewia kwabena agye Agyapong ba abonten sɛ Kennedy should go down with some of his speech because of Kasembia and Yewia Kwabena J. Agyapong dekora. Yewia Bra Champong, Kennedy Agyapong can Sembia Yanede, or also to be the man Kennedy Agyapong. And Tisa Papano, Okoto Abamana, obeye even the fry bellana, on to me frefren crofono mo ben in Chino. On to me frefre the big faces in the party. Mama join any campaign ma MPP when money yeda because a lot of them are money because of sema what come from 2023 mepemene Timmy pa campaign ya ebunum ye omo de wo dan ebunum ye omo de wo sumase ebunum ye omo de e wo fiem ebunum omo ye omo niam ni nyina ebinom eye omuniema omuye no omuye disie enye nipa ni nyina na de ombe bi omode ba abonte enti se MPP beko power don't think say a campaign na ye no platforms ahodo so na ye bose na amanfo bu omumu ye bo nom na omusa no enye sa campaign na ma party ewene campaign ema party win ene de ye a ye nye no nipa dodo anim na ye no wosumase ye no namfo ntam ye sa a campaign ema party win enti empanfo no bebre na omo no omo nkogina platform so ntiatiam na omo wo omo group ono omo di nkomo omo ne omo kasa na omo kasa na chi omo shefom eye campaign no Some Crawford bebre ne Agyapong the omo anim aye fom wadidi omo atem enti some of these men are now coming out to work for the MPP to win enti oto abama Agyapong you have just wasted your vote me mame Diana Pia mo akwaba ena me nua Wilson Asamani onso me chia yie pa mo akwaba temi yie pa a vote for Agyapong is a vote of distraction. A vote for Agyapong is a vote to dismantle the grounds and the basis of MPP. Me abema. Ye nyina ye be nyina duru say. Dia na ye tie for MPP. You see MPP there a intellectual people's party. What is intellectual about Agyapong's attitude? Dear Ben, what Agyapong mo betumi dia compare you raje kufo amana ye. Dear na what Agyapong mo a obetumi edena ye den a compare what them call the attitude of Rebeboche nomne a big man and painful binom omo na yedi omo chichire party in their conduct for a long time in the party history. Papa painful, yeah, one hour intellectual so ankasa. Dear na working in Agyapong when I represent that name intellectual party. Catch them in a minute. Abusia, and yet me, I don't like to insult people because it's not part of my character. Me mean to me any part and money ye because me nima temu di empo. If to be honest with you, but if I cannot natural, say no crana me cannot fully say ya temu dia. It is over to you. It must change your attitude. So that be a man cannot show. Yes, MPP party entered to a former party. Ya jitin wo ho. Ya jitin wo ho. In fact, okwa Ghana man mo even John Daraga Dramani Mahama ankasa paka ne pense ono ne party a yefa ne NDC party there. They are after the mole people because omo no betumi adada won ama omo ato aba ama. Pachotie mi ye pa. John Mahama ankasa kase ono ne party na yefa ne NDC no. They go after the mole people because omo no omo din trust you ketia no beka kire omo say ye de aja 24-hour economy ba uye kua ni obetumi akonfoma na adwo akoye adwuma omo tumi gi tuma ne yeye ana me bo amia Wilson ase no ketia na kaaye ose omo de ade bi ba friend 24-hour economy ye be mo akwa afuom anadwo. People understood it and this forgy to mukotoaba because Mahama and Kwasaka say and this there we don't need microphone school or motibu kwase or munima kenkan dabi ya mole John de Milon so be kai so mo and this there or mu hia mole for no money or mo ya juma enti so yam PP delegate na okwa akotoaba akwa yi obi abeti wanima o party ayatu ne din intellectual people's party amana ye enam nimde form wo party no now so kofo bi a quick temper opanyin tie mantemate onte ase opanyin tie mantemate onte ase na de beba ne mu bia otugo abonten na wo se wo ye intellectual party na wo koyi sa nipa no. Say onu mum nena medu party anima. You are just wasting your vote because it is not the identity of the party. It is not the identity of the party. Because minti bi da say yebe to aba internal party aba. Now one of the aspirant why ye ne ho internal enemy, internal opponent, internal destroyer. Na onamu na okanje gum and almost omodi soldiers beba ha omodi macho man papa wana na ano na wo ka kire amanfo se obi anye obia ka wano tum na tell people your campaign message oni asemoka so akofo book people no dey about omun sign there me be enuma me be we and turning kontompo campaign papa ye dia mepemene. Now, MPP for this for we have our sense of rumor, we have our sense of digesting issues. Set 2023. Ye kayano tum Emma Woody in Tronoma, Ewura Manfo team this time around. And some no can be an a pa botina bedre dream. A pa botina bedre dream. MPP delegates no artists the obekano omoti the amanfo so kafa ho nyina. Onim de ya ne se enkrofo no mudi papa na chi ni nyina no obekọ no obia eye better adenti oye better ya man aduma anye aya sempa na meka kire no enkrofo no mudi papa na chi omoye dede MPP fo mpanyimfo be sentu bia omudi papa na chi omoye dede no Obekom obisi opa adwuma bi a ye wanyanye. Enso bia no ye MPO. Ebi so ye deputy minister o. Ebi mpa no ye CEO bi o. Ebi mpa sebi odi jinabre bi a meminhu bi da. But still no almost they are better adentia. They no mo anka se hwehwe no mo anya nti omo ye better. Na NDC MPP beba abai mu. Enipa 6 million plus na yeto abade man. Yewura Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo man be ye president. Enti 6 million no. Ye nyina eni enya minister die. Ye nyina na enya position as MP. Ye nyina na enya position as CEO. Ye nyina na enya position as deputy minister. Ye nyina na enya akwanya be ye deputy CEO bi dabi. But still ye nyina ida so giram. But obia the CEO, obia the deputy minister, obia the minister, obia ye MP, obia ye DC. But still, or sit there no hwehwe ne nsan kanti wadwa. Pesemin kuminya ni brane ahoye ya ene ekum Kennedy Agyapong ne camp for. Greediness, selfishness. Na hwema bi odi na chi, ye se fe na atoshe, na atose. Akamfo ebe kana na atose. Je so ye tose. Who common found executive why. Huh? Common found owner now we the chairperson of the common found. Who see a more vice president and into what who could Kennedy Agyapong. No wonder so Pieto Kessie. What the no wonder say Kennedy say Pieto Kessie. Just a sound microphone, they are better. Better for which reason I don't know. Because they got the major benefit from the party and they are still not content with it. Who will be the CEO of Common Found? Sikebeko district, ya Wogana, Mamuna now manage. O see a more vice presidential candidate in Tiwaja. Hey, the nipa 6 million plus or Mokoto Abamadi, Edema Yura, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo for the good times, 2 good times, you know. Ye nyina na enya adwuma. Ye nyina na enya contract. Ye nyina na enya appointment. Ye nyina na ye chairperson. Ye nyina na enya board so koda ya na. These are the people omo ba mo nan so ene. Se munye den. Monkoto aba mo meye leaders. Je se MPP amanyokuo no. Nkrofo we di adani sika di emedi. Wo stika ohu tietia se motia ya sene wa Yansen one way and a light edumye. Steka. Who tetia sa boatia yes and Yansen and we and a light dumye. Who ya your deputy minister for trade. Why ye MP for 8 consecutive times, 8 years consecutively. Also ye better. Oh yare. Jimmy wasn't capable finance minister. Steka se finance minister nkebe bono obi amaya man finance minister nti wadwa oye better nti one Kennedy Agyapong e konante chese nkrofo na omudi Kennedy Agyapong achi omo ni yodium no obi aye better kwasi ampanyi hopes na doye hopes miti so na mapampa so jimi waye better adentia okotena airport no the airport ye business ene osi ye yi na di nti no oye better. You see, me and Oheme, I will talk about MPP. We supposed spend it one kasa usika to support MPP. MPP better now kunya so. Unya juma ye from the government directly. Unya contractor na dabi. And so still young MPP. But enkrofo we yo munya dedi you know. Almost say they are better because they are not more ankaso or more koma swadie. Makoma swadie. We ne makoma swadie. We ene makoma swadie. Yam farm or makoma swadie mo munti omo ye better omo ne Kennedy Agyapong enam. Omo ye selfish, omo ye greedy. Let me tell you something very serious. The omo ye nene no. Ye mu binum de atransia hwe omo from afar. Who said the omo ye no. They know said they can never and ever win the promise. but enam bibi bi omo hwehwe no omo percentage bi ewo election na ba be konum na omo de sa percentage na kwa akogina yewura Dr. Bawumia nim say omo promise say Dr. Bawumia be di president ya eha or the amount. That is what they are doing. It is Obama Kennedy Agyapong. You are actually selling a potential benefit to be Anka Obenya de Kennedy Agyapong because ono na ukoto abana mano. Ono na ni di beba krata so ono na take that percentage, you know. Into the percentage no be Dr. Bawumia nim. And then I could say, Doctor, party for no percentage we media. So per se, memo an campaign young way dia, and your young court on agreement say, obey a president ya, ministerial position we anyway, famame. That is what Kenya Japan is doing. And say, Koto Abamana, you are blocking your chance because the NA was saying Camera also. The man will take it with his people, the greedy people who are following him. The greedy people who are following him are going to sit down and share it with him. I was saying, so bad, no like it. Not what share. I know what comment to see who watch. Any vote that you vote for this man is to make his percentage becomes bigger. And by making his percentage become bigger, he will use that one to demand to say, Dr. Bawumia should give him a certain number of ministerial positions. So it is non-go there to vote for Kennedy Agyapong. Hey, me and Fisher Papa. Hey, me and Ivan Sankama. The first man to subscribe to the Ras Media member group. Also, to me subscribe will be no about be Ras Media members no be subscribers and yeah. Happy New Year to you, my brother. How's ya? Semna ye can we mean what we are saying? No, and yes, ye dia grow. Me and yes, a casa na ye me do. My call Juma Bank me to me adam pum. Me hear mammy, Jumana me hear kakra. But my veteran with the casa. Because we need our country to develop. And we need to be an Nigerian sounded. No be to me develop. And ye kotobeton fish go ne momone ne adwene ne hwan kotobeton ti yemfa Ghana nhye wonsem yemfa Ghana nhye wonsem on which basis na anu afishi aye no na anu afishi aye no Dr. Bawumia sori gina ne nan so as an opposition leader and send out message to Ghanaians. And also cautioned what them call John Dariga Dramani Mahama. And some now Dr. Bawumia Kayano. When we answer na wom, what is second Agyapong ko jina baby? Eke nyansa sem. Adie say no te asori demo koye night wash. Opia on various moments. What transia didi asori fuatem, asofu fuatem. Sajuma no ye na me support pa. But then, to me, I will pay dintino. Sema ode wano kan tesura auto go from one kasa do touch them. Asanya sisa. Enye ofede. Na be kona manfo gina mo bo mo nsam. Na ye shem kwase prophecy. Jimmy prophecy. Ade a wan kasa unim so researchers account so wa lusu. Asofo for ba de omonsa be fofa wo ho. Edin trochro so wen a. Now to na utimi ye ode. Na obo utinko. Hey, they say 31st January, Umpeu, a drawie. And then the 8th of January, I got 23 days per 3 weeks, 1 day. Now you will see your end. You will see your end. What to me act on party negatively. My opponent if one minute. You still don't feel content with yourself. Deɛ wayɛ nyinaa akyi o. You are not content with all what you have done. Who you be serious? Agyapong, you should have stepped out. Agyapong should have stepped away from this competition. And let me tell you something. Second Agyapong may contest this elections we are. Okay, all the other aspirants, nobody would have ever contested. Because what the benda NMPP akwa election we lose so yet na ye nya kwakọ head the candidate in a year mistake. What be that? From what them call 2000 and from 2000 I'm a pim Jomboa do number so na asefo. When has it happened say yakwakọ to aba na MPP lose so yet na ye ni say candidate no mom na ma lose so ye. It has never happened. Every time we say, the party executive na ntimi anya adwuma ankon kudru from amagana fuante a candidate in nkomo yie. But what happened this time there? You see Dr. Bawumia and the fourth. Abusia entenesa. Na yebeko yanim ni ura Dr. Bawumia wa asem eka edit second the Japan in Nkrofo. Answer ya to aso akutie message na Ababo and say 118 MPs omo contested parliamentarian seat 2024 no omo nyina Ababo and say they are in support with Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Abusia Bo se masiha ya tire support Dr. Bawumia unity aboaje on zele utimi sende sika ekoma no sanso utimi sende mombo nso ekoma number we nipa o handle sika ne fene azekwache. The obey to me be out to me the sende. O send ya na wa sende. Yebeka say a screenshot and as a photo be at the actually said the baby to me accountable for any money that you donate. Yenti Dr. Bawumia na yensamra studios is here.
Dr. Bawumia the Krobu for Antoine. Sabuti. Semiami Krobu for Antoine. Bifri wale the constituency and wale constituency. Me region a north east region. Now Okoshe results one 2024 election results one. But was a Sakon Consano again Okoshe regions no Ghana your regions 16 MPP a sunset Nipa Bebre Ankotuaba 2024 we share regions now 15 out of 16 regions MPP vote Etiba for 15 regions out of 16 the whole Ghana only one region MPP vote Epeja Kosro and only northeast region the only region in Ghana MPP vote Epeja Kosro northeast region. Now Ushe constituencies no swa Uba say constituencies bebre vote Etiba for Uko Walewa constituency, Miami constituency, MPP vote Epejaye by 25% increase in vote in Wale constituency. Now, Ushe Ghana Hegina, all the constituencies 276. Now, Ushe vote change no Uba said the highest percentage increase in vote amongst all the constituencies for the MPP was the Wale constituency, but the increase of 25%. 80 and yellow crab said Miami for Oma to Abano Amae Oma me every Omona Omo constituencies you vote Etiba for Omo regions you vote Etiba for 80 and yellow crab who could do
Yes, enti asema yewura Dr. Bawumia eken etrese Agyapong kura na all hano so no Dr. Bawumia ni kuromfo anto aba ama no ono Agyapong no ankasa the backyard ni constituency a ehwa na wadi MP for years and for years yakoto aba no olusu wo ho inya Evans Jaben mo akwa papa olusu wo ho but doctor say or no dear ni region in the constituency there, the vote rises. And turning contempo na kene Japan the any campaign. Nyansa bia nim. Abusiamfo yento aso na yenko yanim na yemfa nsem foforo meremo. Very very long time. Abusiamfo na mu nyina finshapa ai. Afofoforo asan ba betie biem. Yebebɔ mpaye se Yankopɔn bɛma yɛ ahoɔdere ne nyansa na afi wei atumi asan atwam yɛ ho ne asan hyia wɔ platform wei so. Happy New Year to everyone who is watching me now. Yento aso ne yenko yanim abusua. Enana pa yɛda sɔre ya. Anano pa yɛda sɔre ya. MPP MPSA. And as a former MPs, and as even omo contest to be parliamentary members in 2024, omo to me nipa 118 ababon say they are with Dr. Bawumia. Now what I want to ask you no, Obeka say, well, so we nipa 118. Nipa omo kotaba omo 200,000. Bra. Every one of these men, every one of these 118 men, our moye parliamentarian candidate, you know, they carry a weight in their constituency. But the losing team, IFN, aka Agyapong team, because the main name and losing team. Omo nickname any Agyapong camp. The losing team for no. And I'm so one person won't bet near masse, especially nkwada na omo ena machira omo bose omo nim de omo ye no. Omo ntiase the importance say MP ana former MP or even an MPP parliamentarian candidate. Ebeke side, I support you. But what I want you to understand is we a candidate at team. So but we a delegate at team. Don't waste your vote on candidate Agyapong. Every person or ye MPP, former MP, and also ye MP candidate for MP. I was your endorsed Dr. Bawumia. Can we say the constituency of free no? Anya you know, delegates of more 95% edinachi. Hey, Jamiepa. Sancrofold or ha any edu and watchena almost omudi Dr. Bawumia chino. Ha? Kura omufuri so constituency na omufuri hono. They command. They are the couples. Even Sankama said they can eat the casam. Omuno moye capo no. Omuno command the constituency. And their endorsement no automatically means say about 95% of the delegates of more constituency when you know it in a say omo constituency ono. Say nipa yebeka say 500 and I say 200 and even 100 na to about as delegates a emu 95 ADMP na chi because MP no oni na ehwe omo ho oni omo na di nkobo me say mon twere ntro ba bi say second determine 20% kurana it will be very I will be very surprised. Sir MPs 118 no they are the voices of the voiceless. To
support the candidature of His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia as flag bearer of our great party, the New Patriotic Party, for the second time at the 31st January 2026 presidential primaries and subsequently lead a party into the 2028 general elections. Ladies and gentlemen, it is true that some of us of this group have, in their individual capacities, variously supported the candidature of Dr. Bawumia as he prepared
for the 2026 primaries. However, we 118 PCs who represented the New Patriotic Party for the 2024 general elections, convinced that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was not the reason nor the cause of our 2024 electoral defeat, as per the various studies conducted by the party's own Professor Michael Kwe committee, highlights of which have been provided by the General Secretary, and also independent institutions such as the Conrad Adenauer Foundation, the New Patriotic Party's own Parliamentary Caucus, the Political Science Department of the University of Ghana, have, after extensive engagements amongst ourselves, and importantly, after engaging our polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, former constituency executives, council of elders and patrons, taking a decision to come together and collectively declare our support for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's candidature for the 2028 presidential elections. This declaration, ladies and gentlemen, following the one earlier made by our 63 compatriots who were victorious in the 2024 parliamentary elections and are today ably representing the party in Parliament, is intended to send a clear message to the grassroots of our party and the good people of Ghana that the majority of their representatives whom they chose to lead the party during the 2024 general elections are strongly united behind the candidature of Dr. Bawumia. We must, at the very outset, state that this decision is not born out of any parochial or self-interest on our part. It has been taken after sober reflection and based on a deep sense of duty to our great party in particular and the future direction of our dear nation, Ghana. We have listened to key stakeholders in our various constituencies, including, as I said, our polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, former constituency executives, council of elders and patrons. We have also listened to the youth, market women, our farmers and fisherfolk, businessmen and businesswomen, opinion leaders, religious leaders and traditional authorities, and I've come to the conclusion that there exists broad and overwhelming consensus that Dr. Bawumia is best placed amongst all the eminent personalities who are vying for the flag-bearing position of our party to lead our great party into the 2028 general elections. The greater majority of well-meaning Ghanaians are looking to us delegates to do just that. Dr. Bawumia has proven himself to be a visionary leader with a track record of competence, integrity, and commitment to Ghana's development. His experience as vice president, coupled with his policy initiatives and innovative ideas, makes him the ideal candidate to lead the NPP to victory in 2028. His exceptional leadership qualities demonstrated during his tenure as vice president, his technical expertise in economics and finance, his commitment to Ghana's digital transformation and good governance, his compassion and empathy for the Ghanaian people are key qualities that make Dr. Bawumia an ideal leader of our party at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that Dr. Bawumia's leadership will be a game changer for Ghana. Hence our decision to support his candidature. By so doing, we are committed to working with him in whatever capacity to achieve a brighter future for our dear country, Ghana. In essence, whether some of us here intend to seek the mandate of our constituents in the yet to be organized parliamentary primaries as part of the party's preparation towards the 2028 general elections or not is immaterial. Indeed, our personal ambitions have no bearing whatsoever to our collective resolve to support His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in the upcoming presidential primaries. Please be assured that none of us has been induced compelled or cajoled, nor railroaded into taking this position that we are making public today. Any suggestion of inducement, as is often bandied about when declarations of this nature are made, should be roundly dismissed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not in doubt that Dr. Bawumia has been the most consequential vice president so far in the Fourth Republic. That, regardless of his limited constitutionally defined role of assisting the president in the execution of his mandate to the people of Ghana, Dr. Bawumia, with the consent and concurrence of his and our boss, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, personally championed the implementation of several notable policy initiatives and achievements. These include, but are not limited to, championing Ghana's digital transformation, introducing initiatives such as the Ghana Card, mobile money interoperability, and digitalizing public records.
Yes, Abusian 20, this 118 MPP parliamentarian candidate in 2024. Omunyina say we are with Dr. Bawumia. Now, Royal Miss B, Mame Mwakwaba pa, Mwakwaba yepa. Afinshia pa enkoma awonso. Na hey. Ampi fonko mpainfo nko a oha ene edu enwotwe ese dia we Dr. Bawumia. Na meka amanfo njini amanfo ntie ni ye abusia sa nkrofo yo mo support Dr. Bawumia. And what the reasons some of them are almost say they believe say Dr. Bawumia the leadership quality e woni mu ene tumi kakra bi onya ye as a vice president the otumi de ye they believe say he can develop this country called Ghana if he's being given the mandate to lead this country. Well, we are politicians, so we are nkura and almost saying come out here say don't let anybody deceive you. Say you're the sika and I come on more candy or more can. I say more being deceived. You say you're the promise and I come on more can. Now, they are doing this because of their party soul, party no, na koma, party no, ni nipa, you can say, ne kra, and na party ne kranti, and omoye de omoye. Now, say they wouldn't mean Yankopon obophobia, no abosa sabron samba akao. Ma amena fe na atoshi no, nsem we beto abonten a ni wura. Papa na okese ni pieto kese o so ni pieto kese no kana Agyapong adwa onam o tietie mu Asante region ho no maame we so tie asem ekogina abontena mu ntie nsamfo bi a wo ka mu ntie
bi mu aba omo ba ye promise wo mu post to omo ba no ba be ka kire wo se to ko ha ye man post na no we di mu aduane nka say no de abrewo. And then who are why you say 100 people declare for this. Who are why these people declare for this. Now mu declare you know and the embaye. Onuya and ye obi declaration and I de beto. Ye bie ye ni shine your eyes. Ni adwene ye ho ni ato. Jombo edu kwa kojina. 15 regional chairmen. And I declare mano no report repos. At media, me pia o can declare my media, delegates, it is time to vote for yourself. Mutubi ma Akufo, Mutubi ma Eastern region, and Yebusa say about what at the end I would be say Munishi. Mpenifo ya bejiko dia near den kasa na aboam. This time wotuama wodofo the odo grassroots the oped delegates asem the asamba or kebi mawon, the aniyamu ye, the anesamu go, the yamwa wabeba. Politics there, bibinti and yenina yakum, and yes, say that je kwa. Obia Kobi said ye be mano. Question I yebusan say, Baby omo kasapuntono, eho, mukwa be yamamo. Obi any a promotion, one only the end of warship. Be dear than seer. Ama what who say, what to my Kennedy Agyapong, what to udachi.
Oh, mommy, wait, there be a honor cassa. So what tell mammy kayo? Mammy, we say, hey, Dr. Bawumia, my young Quasia form 1 people, papa. Some fine chairman. I'm Mr. Fine chairman. But say, Dr. Bawumia Faribaya. Sanan kenim say one painful be way more and Quasia fall from their head to their toe. Ah, Dabenda. Sama mi wo kasa ne say as a man as a woman. Devi yepa. Mami wo kasa ne I to say as a man as a woman. E conduct to ne ho te say de ono de. Onyam pipini. Mami we conduct to ne ho te say de during Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo administration. When you post be anyina. Hey, wicked woman like you. Mami a ukotna common found so a odi kusika koye investment. Mami MPs sika de ye project wo mu kroma na odi oto kese upieto kese na odi te so. Oma amamfo ntumi nyi sika mfa nye project. Mami otimi hwe MP anim na wabona ato nchen na wafa NDC MP na wamane sika so mfa nye project. Mami a common found the sika udi be a company ma wukunu na enyuma e wo se yenye ne wo nkurase na yemfa grassroots fo yenye na omunye sika udi contract ni nyina ma wukunu wo maame wei ananyankopon pa utimi fa microphone ko gina amamfo anim hono ho te se kusi a yede ntroban ahye ne to ahu yeah. Na toshi. Mami a hono fo said ye den troban ahye oto ne yahu te say yahu kusie yam ansa ye behunu no. Wo awudi ye. Kwanya ofa so a waste MPs e wo mo constituency level. Sika wotena so wonkwa de obedi ene wo maami utuminya akokoduro ebegyina bonten ka kire MPP delegates say babia yese monto aba no nko no omo no omo ko omo dwene omo anka se omo ho ha mame na adente nyankopon kura wo abotre too much enko bia watrase o twa nkontompo se nka on instantly nanka wajai sabio niema na guni so nanka watia fa so. How can you be so much hypocrite as this? How can you? Mami we on na moso nkwasi asema oken nyina de nti oye de oye nyina se o vice president ya di o. Mami we o vice president ya di. Enti vice na wo do ho betoto na po. Martin opoku prempe na nam ho. Wo si ye nkofa wo. Wo a wo gina wo nan so 5 minutes na one transfer obetwa hwe. Onyini bia so na atohye nyini bia san so. Obekom na 50 kuro onye nyae 50 years bro kana ma na mo onye nyae. Now after being so greedy and selfish on what you did with common funds, You have the audacity to come out and speak like this. Mame, fawaya sipo baby tina why? Na yankopon ene bedi ewura na Dr. Bawumia na asem mama no. Nanka ye ken nipa omunye bi wo party no mu. Ye ken nipa omunya bibi edi ye wo party no mu a. Wo ne ken de Agyapong. Ye betime yi mudi afiri na ye. Wo ne kwabra kwaku kwadwo ye frɛ ne sen ken de Agyapong fa so amadi no party ni baba na nya sam fa so na apart from a president. I was some privileges be. And such a stupid human being like Natoshi. Utimi ko jina nipa nim. E make comment to say there unyam pipi nimpo. Sabion kan this in a comment be say ya. I could have accepted it because it's an opponent. And obviously, every opponent be try to make his case can say more valuable. Now, say party member are now where the past administration move for 8 good years. Udini ba mame. Uye wudini yankopon betua woka. Yankopon obetua woka. Ye kan nipa oji dodo no de nkasei ema grassroots pa ye kan de Agyapong emo no de cha amanfo. Emo eduru bronya na de mo abeche delegates. Akoko kronfa bi mira na wanya biawe. Emo. Agyapong can do about $1 billion contract in the name of MPP. Oba party office abe boy sika ma de aye party adwuma $1 million Ghana cedis no dem out of $1 billion contract. What is a second in Agyapong? Abwa nkrofo bi oba bi obekọ na atom mo na de akwa chomo. What is a yes the contract bi ama MPP ni bi na kene Agyapong adwa yemfa ma ono nko a ene hia no. Na wo maame wudi nipa wo ye chi bo na chi dom se ye nto abama no. Na wutumi dan wani ka eche delegate se na Dr. Bawumia mom ene ye greedy. Hey, Dr. Bawumia ono na gina ho a all the constituency what them call electoral area coordinators. Enipa omu ye adwuma ma MPP in the whole country. Omu forms are forms or medical contest to become who they are at the electoral area level. No? Dr. Bawumia ne toma won. Who can the Agyapong na wudi na chi no? Bisane said, dear Ben na why ye diama every MPP electoral area coordinator the whole of the country. Why? Now when nim say as a man as a woman, or voice to say as a man as a woman, who but to me now back a cancer and phone the fire Dr. Bawumia or in the name of you're promising me to be a presidential vice presidential candidate, mame, utiso no wapampaso. Utiso eno wapampaso. Uye wudini ye trofon kontompopa, you don't need to go close to any power. Uma me way. What no nipano. The osi upiye to kesiye no. Say the mo ben to me who amobe to me ase kumeti nya bomai. Munye ni papa. Adwempa ni mutim. Mon sem fata say the mo ben to me. Mo nim ni mo attitude. Em fata se mo ben to me. Se mo ben to me a mo be to me the say ni yo any ya yo ni yen kan say oyawo ebema nipa kura wu ebema nipa wu because mo ya adwe banefo adwene da mutum nya adwe papa enti na atoshi wa gu ho ani mase wa kire se sa uye nipa fon papa after 8 years sitting on the common fund for 8 good years would be investment would be a company ama ukunu wadi nkwasa sema wo wiase nyina ene otimi dan wani eba kusu Dr. Bawumia say onu mom di sika kese na ode nkase akoma MPP fo grassroots for de na maame Nyankopon ene betua woka Nyankopon enim nokore ye de nyina be ma no yento asode nko na mfa nche kese ma Kevin o se prempe ene mi nya le kedunsia me chia mo pa ma makọ aba se maba enenso yento aso na yenko yanim on the more serious note. Yes, it is said these are the MPs, former member of parliament candidates, no? Omo, a show three, vote for three, for unity and for prosperity.
Like this.
The winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. Bawumia no change.
Yes, and to any 118 MPs or more endorsed Dr. Bawumia. Now, on the more serious note, Papa Bisuja, Edanit Chemtier.
50 macho men for every constituency. I have the voice. We will meet you boot for boot. We will meet them boot for boot. 50 macho men. Omunya's resort. Omu say, Omu tu abane finchima. Omu lusu. And to Omu the macho men. I'm going to play the voice for everybody to see and hear. Agyapong ewu Omu team. Omu ni Omu si Kennedy Agyapong. And a pen to go. Men pen to go. Me fairness. Yema kuya enye juma. Over 50 men. That day they will be sorry. I swear to God, that day they will be sorry in Ashanti region. Madam, what will you do? Papa, I didn't have walking as a what did you be at him? What support will be a support will be? What is it to be? Choboy. They are party back. Obi kana semwa enti akamdidi ayedi no Ghana how fi 17 ni nyina ha so mayedi Choboy Mesramo ya party bako enti obia no be customer na yode me start say me yi mi tisa me contest ya dimatem mutu me fuyu matu say na biye manope but ensure a tap on Chenia or the war. I will not have a
Na obi a yewe yi ade a ehia yen e wo Ghana ene ahyan
Abusianfo mpacho munyanto wase na let's go back to the studio. No. Na papa we pa who advises this man? And also oko campaign na onni niam a watwere okoka oduru ho a e free, open free, gate free, can the open akọ. Atofo mentin sem bi no masio. I can't think far. Who is threatening Kennedy Agyapong? Or no mom na threaten amamfo ana. I can't think far because you will have a papa can say or no dear what afa some what tintino on the 31st January no security or the pa bonten what on an account and then they'll say MPP 4 essay or more kofa 50 macho men na nyawo na yesi data force yaw de oso kamugum kamugum mesi kamugum na nyawo no timi ko gina kwatia eye ho gagai say ye kamena you are number 1 and I will trust me ehunahuna papa kan hugum ko fa o mari man bra o data force for no ko fa won bra. Bring them. Bring the numbers that you have. Don't worry. Listen to Kwahoi, a phone wa. Now, Tony Atasia. Or Kramani Binikura, the whole here not on Safa. When you see how this man is now limiting himself to be a refresh in the system. Say, the also wine. A man for so much of a wine, macho man. Now who can upon a most macho man? O kwabena o hene Agyapong wo de nam hoy usuro macho man usuko fa bie na fa defend o ho na nye sika na de fa macho man usu fa sika na bi ko fa macho man na fa ko defend o ho na jai se wo bo yam o ye ho oba e ma na asemi ba besi a enam se hunti ma muti mo fa ncheme enam ehu abo omunti omudi kan sha ase kansem ehu na amaka Agyapong eke kansem okeka nyina eyehu kase onim se ware na we no he's just making that say be okofa ne nkwase afo nso wo ma edide ho a eke se Dr. Bawumia nkrofo na sha ase eke se Dr. Bawumia nkrofo na sha ase okwa ko gina delegate fo anim. It's a time to sell yourself and your message to the people. And your brother to say, "Kaunka di obabe ya mo muntio." Unam wana kesesem. And Asante region, I'll show you. They say they're going to bring 50 macho men. I will meet them. Papa, why not? Who is all your war? Who is doing you? When the 10 is doing it, is doing you. Because mami odi wachi na atoshi obi na no ankwase akeka. Osukura na nkenim se wo machi kakra nka kenyansa se me ntia ono so da bukata threaten. And I may you say, a day. What is wrong with you, man? The ntia wo ye ho sa. O kasa na delegate to ho mo abomago. Who kasa delegate na ye ni yesi ebepe asumdue ni bi ma yadi alidi na nipa we ne nkofa meto ye ho so nipa we ne nkofa meto ye ho so why ya ma delegate abamanko when they hear you talking you can't see it because Washington bon space. Bring your man Kennedy. Me see on the 31st January bring your man too. And now on charge ajo te se oba onye oba uye barima ba barima so de yesi barima ba ensi so mans na waye den waham enti for barima na bra ne ani nyina yen kansi animu an German South wo me wo conquer there German South be beto aba I will conquer there fa nkrofo no bra no mmehia me ho akene di pa papa we pa o mani pa bro o mani pa ka de ni kwanse ye ka enye ho masem na atwam. You are older than masem. Make yourself a man. And come obi ante fa hye ho ye kohyia wo ho a na de asie ani na obi ahu ne bobre en come obi ante yen fa nkohyia mu ho edi hyia ho a na obi ahu ba bi ogina a wo ba ye dede sa na amamfo atena aliki na ye ntimi fa nkope so ma ne ye we nka waboa wo ho underground wa nkontompo ni wontro na wudi no wawu nkontompo no ntro no nkwasi akeka na amona ma amokeka no amahu abetomu ena e kan se uwi amoku ana se uwi kwaku a ena wo so ho dai a se utiri mu fanya kwaku enye den enka wa ana se ho ene ho wawu se o trate na wo dia kwa around na no brani ya ba bedru no wawu se ehu aba wo wahu ye be chiwa chechire wo papa we pa ya se wo ma no musu also ke kan sem no bia ma na tia fama ene ehu abo nti oso dai o se oso dai usuro sa na de wuye nyina o de hunahuna amanfo sa na de wuye nyina o de hunahuna amanfo o se bre ne nyandura wa hya ase ehu abo wa wankasa wotete wo hoto na wo so ne wo se ene nkrofo mu di wachi munti akwa we so se papa e ne stika ono de na papa no me hu se o se o sisa jama ene kwan yo fa so ohuruhura na me se no papa obibi ha no na sa o ye coward hey stika is the most coward person I never met in my life. Just listen to this interview. You really a beautiful last night.
There was 1964 capital pricing model developed by a man called Sharp. 1976 APT, Arbitral Price Theory, developed by a man called Ross.
What is going on here? Sticker a coward than his boss. Sticker or you who for and truffle pa. Now video I'm about to with you and a woman. Now no sticker could number be said. You would have Dr. Bawumia now on person no be finance minister. No or kind of campaign so said the boss Kennedy Okojina microphone anima otumi kan asem na di ntro e kan de yen kan de ni wiase no saya de no sa na bia chesteka ono so kojina campaign no kan asem no bia kan de yen kan de nsi yen ntro kan bi ena asem na beto abonte na manfo debate ena de steka se the all kind of campaign ase no o se enye no kre but na onim se video no wo ho e won nsem na o kan ni nyina o de nyanto base na tie ye wi na abiefo na asna no so watch wadwen.
And then the development is an improvement on what exists or existed. Then two people, Danny, Hanan and Lian, also improved the model. They did a new model to improve upon what was there. And then Deming did. And I also did to improve. The work is there. My model was examined by Canadian, Pakistani, Kenyan professors. So I even didn't go into this detail. And I wasn't doing that to compare myself to anybody. Please, let us be united. That's a party because 31st is just close.
That's fine. Doc, before you go ahead to talk about unity, let me read to you what the online portals have reported. And you tell me exactly which aspect of this report is false. I.e., you didn't say it, but it was reported. Let me read this to you. Mm-hmm. The Member of Parliament for Nshiasu, Dr. Stephen Amo, has alleged that his appointment as substantive finance minister under the previous Akufo-Addo administration was blocked on ethnic grounds. Right? First point. Dr. Amo served briefly as the Deputy Minister of Finance, a position assumed after the removal of Ken Ofori-Atta, with Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam as the substantive minister. According to him, former President Akufo-Addo had initially preferred him for the top job when the position became vacant. But his nomination was rejected because someone wanted a fellow northerner to take up the role. Speaking at a campaign stop of MPP flag bearer hopeful Ken Agyapong in his constituency over the weekend, the lawmaker touted his credentials and experience. And here, this is the quote. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo planned to appoint me as the substantive finance minister after removing Ken Ofori-Atta, but someone objected and instead recommended his fellow northerner, Dr. Muhammad Amin Adam. I will never lie, especially knowing that I am standing on the premises of the Assemblies of God. I have been in politics for about 30 years. When it comes to expertise in financial and economic modeling, I am among the first 5 in the whole world. Yet, when Nana Addo Dankwa decided to appoint me, someone rejected the decision and said he wanted his fellow man from the northern region. Now, it said in a move that appeared, he was referring to former Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Amwa Feather urged the party delegates to vote for Ken Agyapong on January 31 because he's the one who has their interests at heart. He said, do not make a mistake when voting the MP flag bearer. Okay, that's not too important. So, which aspect of this report is not true?
About 90% is not true. One, it wasn't even when Ken Ofori-Atta had been removed. That's not true. 2, it wasn't substantive finance minister. It was Minister of State Finance. So you see the way they are lying. 3, I never ever used the word ethnicity. Never. 4, I never said I'm the 5th best in the world. By what criteria? Boss, you know me in this country. After sitting there, me and Alfred, we've eaten from the same bowl before. We are friends. We do things together. He knows the way I am. He knows I'm not perfect, but he knows Seka will never go and tell this lie that I'm the 5th person in the world. Never. Never. Me, I'm a sinner, but I believe in God. They should be careful because there are curses and blessings.
Okay.
I'm not afraid to convince anybody. I don't care.
No.
But what I'm saying is, brother, I never said the top position after Ken Ofori-Atta. This issue was even way before.
Okay. Now
I'm telling you.
Doc.
Never.
Doc, ideally, Doc, to just bring finality to this matter, we should have been playing the tape in questioning. Unfortunately, because they are now questioning the integrity of this tape, the authenticity of the tape, you are saying that it's doctored. So we are handicapped.
No, I'm saying that even the tape I spoke.
Okay.
I listened to it carefully. I said Minister of State Finance, that's 1. 2, I never said I'm the 5th in the world. Maybe they didn't hear me. I give you chronology of the issue I'm talking about. 1964, we have capital asset pricing model. 1976, thereabout. Trying to be correct about the dates. But in the 70s, we have arbitrary price theory by Ross. First one by Sharp. The third one by 2 people, Hanan and Liang. The 5th one was by 1 person, Demi. That's the 4th one, sorry. I did the 5th one. It's there. It's my PhD work. It was done when I was doing my Viva presentation. It was done all over the world. I mean, not only Ghanaian professors examine my work. It's there. I'm not saying I'm the 5th best. I've never said that. Even Ghana here, I can't say I'm the 5th best, let alone the world. They have concocted their own stories. You can easily get what I said and play to the world.
Okay.
The only thing I said was the person who was actually fighting against the decision of Nana to make him a substantive minister preferred Obia Ofini Krom. And then I said it. Even if that one was wrong, fine. But that is a fact. I mean, I love him like my own brother. Just as I love our friends sitting there. I'm not like that. The only thing is that I'm not an afraid person. I can't be controlled by cowardice. And I speak the truth to the God that I serve. I never ever. All these things, they are framed of their own stories and they want to attack me. This is all that they do because I'm supporting Agyapong.
That's fine.
And when they finish, they want us to come back and get united and battle the NDC.
Yeah, Doc.
Someone like Alfred could have
Doc, can you hear me?
Someone like Alfred could have called me for clarification or even advice. You just go and sit on TV because of internal policies, attacking your own brother out of lies and deception.
Okay, Doc, this tape has trended for about a week or so. I am surprised that you've never issued a statement to say the tape in circulation does not capture exactly.
Abusantini yo, Papa we all kasano. Now when you say na sem no kan no, omo video no e wo ho sesi as on the body actually no. So he was lying. But now we are going to listen to the video and you'll hear exactly what this liar called Sticker. You see how he's going to be exposed. When they go on platforms, the way they lie and how they say things, the things that they say sometimes make you feel say we power. But when the reality catches them, then they tend to be small boys. Now listen.
What you said, but please hold on. I want us to play this tape because I want you to listen and tell me that this aspect of the tape has been doctored. This is correct, you know, that kind of thing. So that because the world is watching and Ghanaians are watching, this is Good Morning Ghana. So if you don't mind, if you can stay on, it's just a few minutes.
Before that, I don't mind. But before that, I beg you yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard in the tape that I am saying that I was supposed to make finance minister? 2, I'm the 5th best in the world. And that 3, I wasn't given because of ethnicity.
No,
Did you hear me
let me not tell the public what I have heard. Let the public just watch it and decide for themselves. Is that okay?
Please.
Okay. So let's watch the tape. Let's watch the tape.
Nana Nado Passoa, Minister of State Finance. Nepa, Mr. Mumpa, Mr. Sahana, so on Pame, of the Guru. Mr. Mubua, no assemblies of God, and the Bombes. Mr. Cancer. Now, when you're not to the home. Never me a goddamn. Some boy, me clear when you're in some. My property was on the Silence, the whole world. You depend on my financial economic modular. Mitosu 64, 76, 97, 2000, 2001 is me, the whole world. Yes, I'm in Fakao. Nanajo, some boy. When you know, Kono, Ninka, Ninkasi. But my simple says a wine and also I'm pregnant.
Bawumia,
and to the cat trouble, I never make a model. Nana Nado Passoa, Minister of State Finance. Nepa, Mr. Mumpa, Mr. Sahana, so on Pame, of the Guru. Mr. Mubua, no assemblies of God, and the Bombes. Mr. Cancer. Now when you're not to the home. Never me a goddamn. Some boy, me clear when you're in some. My property was on the Silence, the whole world. You depend on my financial economic modular. Mitosu 64, 76, 97, 2000, 2001 is me, the whole world. Yes, I'm in Fakao. Nanajo, some boy. When you know, Kono, Ninka, Ninkasi.
Doc. Doc.
I wasn't hearing no.
Oh,
there's also one.
You didn't hear
I kept on saying I can't hear.
Oh.
Hey, Baba, I beg you, what you played? Did I say that I was going to be made finance minister?
What you said in
Obia wanted the Nayeka. You have a question on what they prayed.
In that video, unless my tree is bad and I don't understand tree very well, you said that you were supposed to be appointed as finance minister.
No, then they changed it. I swear to God.
Okay, or minister of state in charge of the finance ministry.
Yes, that's what I said.
Good.
Please.
But somebody, that's what you said. You said somebody.
100%.
Okay, somebody told the president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, not to appoint you. And that person did what they did because of where you come from and where the person comes from.
No, I never said that.
No, not in those exact words.
No,
but I'm saying that.
Okay, let me. I said that the person prefers somebody from his place. In Greek, says check it.
Yes. Okay. Right. So someone recommended someone from his hometown.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you. Yes.
And that the crowd should ask, who is this person?
Who did that? Thank you, 100%.
Now, the interesting thing is that the same crowd you were asking the questions, they said, they mentioned Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And in fact, they said it 3 times.
They did what?
The crowd, the people you are talking to.
I beg you, let's do this well.
Do you get the point I'm making?
No. You see what I said. What somebody said, you cannot bring it here.
No. I'm not saying you said it.
No, but what I'm saying is, let's do justice to this conversation. Did I say substantive means of finance? No. Did I mention somebody's name? No. Did I say I'm the 5th best in the world? No.
Yes.
This is what I want to say.
Oh, well, you asked me to tell you what was contained in the tape. I was getting there. You've just truncated my speech.
But you're saying that people all agree. But you're saying that what people said.
No, I'm just saying that, Doc. Let's make this very simple. Did you say that there was an attempt to make you a minister of state in charge of finance? Fact, you said it.
100%. Yes.
Okay. Did you say that somebody recommended somebody else because the person comes from their hometown and that's why you lost out on that job?
I never said
that's also a fact.
I said no. I never said that. I said that somebody actually didn't want it. Somebody fought that decision, preferring somebody from his hometown in Chi.
Good. Good. So that's also a fact.
Yes, it's a fact. I said that, but not what they are saying.
Good. And then you said that when it comes to financial modeling, I hope I got that correctly. The whole world, you are the 5th best when it comes to financial modeling.
I'm not saying the 5th best. Check it. I'm saying that I'm the 5th person to have developed a financial economic model.
Oh, you are the 5th person to have developed a financial economic modeling.
Model. And I'll give you from sharp. Listen, get this clearly. You see, Ghana here, we fight people who have done great things that in other jurisdictions they would have used. My model can be used to solve a lot of problems in Ghana. I'm being honest with you. And I gave you chronologies from 1964. Those who understand these things, capital asset pricing model was done by Sharp.
Yeah, Abusian for Entise Utie Assembly Yotimi says Steka. Wadin trauma na ho akyere ne papa waka nkwase asem of campaign platform so man ho akyere ne papa hu de on kan be afede ahya ase na opese omforo ahwehwe ya se we wasem te ho abuja fana se de ekọ no wahu se udin tro na waka de nyansa nim na eduru ba bia na anwene wo so kura unim de onye eno ene sticker nipa ose mo nkoto abamma obi o odwa ntro in the campaign platform with that sense. The winning team is Dr. Bawumia's team. We are delegate now Kotoaba ma Dr. Bawumia, Papa Oba, or the welfare database. Ebeye Juma. I'm a delegate to be a war. Ghana Maimu Piano, Yahuba Piaote, oh how the Awohe said they be a brand draw. You bet my way with Chiaquai near the necessary support amount. Meeting any Mr. Mafuha, a Ras Media. GH. Unsubscribe, I'm also subscribe. Nabeka Ambusian cool Cassiano. Sansa must say, found Sessia Domana, so said, I am a life for Ubenya, Kaibosama Banabatua, Abeka, now Abo Machidon, I'm a Medijuma Diano, Abero. Medobesia, I'm a beer phone license to Musu to me free. Now watch the white drain, Kakra, and Sama, ye de Ebremo. Now answer may be a phone license. Best said, United for Dr. Bawumia, support Dr. Bawumia's campaign. Oh, America, my moi. Kakrabi Obia, no bet to me send the Aquacoma, Yama Unity Abuaji on Zelle 201-744-3036. Sikabia, Ubenyabia, no to me, a pushy at the commando. Sansona, but Uni America, now any other part of the world, you can send Momo to Azekwachi on 024501611. The obese send biano, but modern na take screenshot na send the brain. Said the beya. Give it to me. I use a verification, any accountability for you all. Medamu nyina se, na be phone lines na to musu to me frɛ na watchere wadwen na yekoye nim. Ras Media GH. Me mamu nyina afinhia pa, mamu nyina nso akwaba. Me maame Vivian Kuma me chia ye pa mo akwaba. It has been a while. Sanso na minwia we som asamane me chia ye pa minwia Ivan Sankama me chia pa na minwia Jojo wonso me chia Royal Miss B, I am Mamma Miss B, Michelle Yepa, Edawase, and Obre. Sansuna, Evans Jabe, also Michelle Yepa, Emo Aquaba, Mimia, Mimame, Diana Pia, Michelle Yepa, a Banquai Grace, also Michelle. Chasha the four Munya da Jeba, ye Kevin or separate, Pepra, Eric Adunsia, and Juliet, glorify Penuma, also Michelle Yepa. Medamu nyina ase na mobrabusian for ma bie phone lines na tum utumi frɛ na won so no wa kyerɛ wa dwen ya bie phone lines na tum
Okay, so number three. Hey, there's a way to do that. There's a way to do it. They do it this way. No change. Like this. Like this. No change.
Elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is the winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. Bawumia no change.
Yes, abusuan for em se ko bia emma ntene me de mo besia na ochena nyankopon pa na yasan ahia. Ras media fee I said in American chrono. Don't forget to support Dr. Bawumia campaign. But me send the momo at their call 024-5016-711. It didn't have a basono as a quache. Who send the ana what take screenshot. Sans no America memo to me ascended their call zelle on 201-744-3036. Unity Abuaje Ding and Ebeba. Support Dr. Bawumia campaign for a better and a brighter MPP future. Akra munyina said the Tibiano Ebesensia. Until we meet again. Adios.